To set up and use extended unlock in Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to look for the lock screen and AOD, and then we can find extended unlock. If you enter it, you will need to enter your current password, then click on Got It. There's three options for extended unlock. First one is on body detection. When you activate this and your phone detects that you're holding it and just walking around with it, it will never lock. So you can just unlock it by swiping up, and it will work for up to 4 hours, and then when you put, or until you put it down. Next thing is trusted places. When you activate this, you'll be able to click right here and set up a place on the map where your phone can remain unlocked. That means you won't need to enter a password. You will just need to swipe up. So it should open a map right here when you click on it, and then you can select the area. Next thing is trusted devices. If there's a trusted device that you can add right here connected with your phone will also never lock. So for example, you can add your headphones that you hold in your home, and that way your phone will never lock. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.